Hi, I'm Tom G, Head of Curriculum for Employability, Volunteering and Skills at Accrington Rossendale College. We're delighted to have officially opened our brand new railway track today here at Accrington Rossendale College. The transformation of disused land into this spectacular real-to-life rail track will provide fantastic practical training for people enrolling on our 8-week rail maintenance and repair course.
It's fantastic to be here at Accrington and Rossendale College to see, again, more investment into the area, more investment into the college. So we've got the railway maintenance programme that we've opened today. Such a fantastic programme, one of a kind in the area. So it's fantastic to see just what we're developing here in Hyndburn and in Accrington at now an outstanding college for our borough.
Hello, I'm Lisa O'Loughlin and I'm the Principal and Chief Executive Officer here at the Nelson & Colne College Group, Accrington and Rossendale College and at Lancashire Adult Learning. This is an incredibly exciting day here at Accrington College. The official launch of our railway maintenance curriculum. It's an absolutely fantastic 8-week programme that enables people to move from unemployment to full sustained employment in a very, very short space of time and onto exciting careers supporting national and regional infrastructure projects.
Well, it's great to be here at Accrington and Rossendale College to see Sarah Brickcliffe, the local MP, officially open this new facility. As a former Department of Transport Minister who oversaw the Integrated Rail Plan and £96 billion investment in the railways of the Midlands and the North, one of the key things that has to happen in order to deliver that plan is to ensure that there are more people with the skills to deliver these major infrastructure projects. So I commend the work of Accrington and Rossendale College and everybody involved in bringing together this new training centre which will provide those skills that we need for the future. So with no further ado, hooray!